Hi you guys, we're back with another video. Today I'm going to be making a simple vegetable soup. So I'm starting off with some avocado oil. Then I'm going to add in some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some white onions. You could dice or slice it, it doesn't matter. And then I'm adding in some diced orange bell peppers. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some diced celery. Sorry, I do not have the measurements for you guys. I really measure with spirit over here, okay? Then I'm adding in some diced red onions. I can for sure tell you that's a whole red onion. Y'all probably like, oh, that's helpful. Go ahead and move that around a little bit. Let the vegetables get to know each other. Now I'm going to add some seasoning. This is garlic powder. Okay, over here I never too much garlic powder. Oh, get the words out. Never too much garlic. But of course you're going to season to taste. You want to satisfy your taste buds. I just really enjoy garlic powder, which is why I'm coming in with Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some black pepper. Remember, if you feel like this is missing your staple seasoning, go ahead and add that in. Go ahead and add that in. I'm just giving foundation for those that may not know where to start at. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some pink Himalayan salts. Boom, 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 bang. Go ahead and get the seasonings all mixed in with the veggies. Oh, it's giving me a nice colorful aesthetic going on. Looking real pretty, but it tastes better. I'm trying to tell you, it tastes better than it looks. You're going to go ahead and add in some, what is that called? Red pepper flakes. Oh my goodness. And then you're going to take one vegetable bouillon cube. You're going to take half of it and crumble it with your hands. We're going to add the other half in later. You'll see that shortly. I just wanted to show y'all how I use half of it. Now we're going to go ahead and bring in some more of my favorite. Come on, but the fresh one this time. About 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. See? Boom, another measurement. After that minced garlic, we're going to go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. It's amazing winter soup. Ooh, that ginger does something for you. Zucchini and squash. We're going to go ahead and add that in. Go ahead and slice the slice the zucchini and the squash. It's the best way, in my opinion. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some more seasoning. Garlic and herb, of course. The seasonings are gonna be repetitive. You'll notice I add the same thing throughout the video. After that garlic and herb, you're gonna add some more pink Himalayan salts. Salt. So why did I say it like that? Pink Himalayan salts, like salts. You ever make a joke and laugh at your own joke? That's me all day. All day. Of course, we're gonna throw some more garlic powder in there. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have onion powder, but I would have definitely added some onion powder. Powder, by the way. Go ahead and mix that up. Not gonna saute the zucchini and squash for too long. Gonna add it into a bigger pot. You're gonna add half a carton of vegetable stock. Then I took a full bottle of water and I poured it into the pot that I sauteed the veggies in so that I can get all that flavor out. Poured it into the big pot. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix that around a little bit. Get all that ginger and garlic. Ooh. Then I'm going to add the other half of the vegetable stock. Come on now. Ooh. If we only had smell cam and taste cam. Hello. I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper. Remember I said the seasonings are repetitive. Garlic powder. Now don't say there's too much garlic powder because it's never too much what? Garlic. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in that other half of that vegetable bouillon cube. I'm just crumbling it with my hands. Then I'm going to add in a small can of diced tomatoes. I'm not a big fan of tomatoes. And I also forgot to get a fresh tomato at the store, so that's why I'm using canned. But if you like tomatoes, add in a lot. If you don't like it at all, take it out, honey. Then we're going to go ahead and add in some more of that Mrs. Dash. That's the seasoning you see there, the garlic and herb. A little bit more red pepper flakes, not too much. We don't want it super spicy. I'm adding in a little more water. I add water throughout the cooking process. I'm tasting a little bit. I mostly can smell when I need to add more seasoning, but I taste a little bit just to make sure, you know, I'm not adding too much water, or if I need a little more water. We're going ahead and mix that around a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a top on that, let that boil. I'm going to come back in and add in some cabbage and collard greens. Cover the lid, let the collard greens and cabbage cook in there. I'm showing you guys now. Yes, oh my goodness, this soup is so amazing. And it was so much better the next day. I actually ate it with some flaxseed crackers. Oh my goodness. Amazing. What's next? What's next? Oh, can't forget about the baby potatoes. Went ahead and add that in. I didn't want to add a lot of potatoes to this soup because I wanted it to really be mostly about the vegetables. That's what I wanted, to be the star of the show. But I added in a little bit of potatoes. And I added this in towards the end, of course, because they're small. They're going to cook fast. I wanted to make sure, everything was good. I'm going to add in some fresh parsley. Let me know how y'all like it. Before, can't wait to see the after. Because we done put on some weight, honey. Yes, we did. It was at this very moment he knew he messed up. I got that on camera. You think I should use that for a blooper? Thunder thighs before they have to go. You can't live here no more, honey. What a day. Woo. Okay. Me and the gym had a fight today and the gym might have won, okay? But I'm getting back into routine of getting back in the gym. Unfortunately, I've gained about like a good 65 to 70 pounds. And it's okay, because we know how to get it back off. And I'm really glad to be able to show y'all from start to finish results, because I feel like I popped up with the weight loss and people was like, woo, where'd that come from? How you do that? What you eating? What the gym look like for you? So So first day back in the gym, showed you guys a little something. Gotta get my body back used to it, because right now my body's like, what's going on, what's happening? But it's familiar with it. We gonna shake back, we coming back hard, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.